Zullen we dat nu al bellen of zou het like te vroeg zijn? Ik heb wel wat stress aan. Today we're calling a restaurant chef who tested our mushrooms. And if this goes well, this could become our first real restaurant client.
But even with interest, there is one big challenge. Making sure we can deliver exactly what he needs at the right time. Let's see how this goes. Before we call, a quick recap. A few days ago, a restaurant chef bought some of our mushrooms to experiment with in his kitchen. And today we are calling him to find out what he thought of our mushrooms and if he wants to order more. And hopefully after that call, we'll get ready for his first delivery.
This call matters because it could be our very first restaurant order. There are a few things which make this exciting. We want to know if the mushrooms worked well in his recipes. And we need to figure out how much he wants and what's the right price while delivering top quality mushrooms. It's a real challenge, but it's exactly the kind of opportunity we've been working to.
This is the part of growing a business that's both exciting and nerve-wracking. It's not just about growing mushrooms, it's also about selling them.
If you want to see how we take our mushroom business from farm to real clients, subscribe to follow our journey. Alright, the moment of truth. We're calling him right now to see what he thinks and if we can move forward. This is a bit anticlimactic. We called the chef. He didn't have the opportunity to prepare it yet, so we're still waiting on an answer. These don't go to waste. We will deliver them to our local fruits and vegetable store.
The chef still sounded excited about trying these mushrooms, but we'll have to wait on next week for a definitive answer.